wanie me hwe Kwaku Manu TV na Kwaku Manu ya spell no ROCB TV aggressive.
I'm out for way I'm from Medinti Kwaku Manu bit my friend me Bob now the Sigana so 111666 I love you I may kiss you hey we imitate way most schools canton and gaga aggressive interview everywhere is a wars it can come aggressive and also you be come on here to come on aggressive interview so said the DBA and da ye no nene ye be twetwe come on now medical catch or says oh US or New York now person we living and I live out I live I just work to school 2 weeks and na what me akwakoye living work na mom de make catch on here say 2 weeks na asma akwaye living I dey ba akwaye say we say uko school it is school now be kona this offer no my 347 334 9455 347 334 9455 ana wa wako school so awie okura set a wo hia se oyi adwuma eje dollar ni bi na no kwasem baabi a oyi adwuma no honye ana okura set so wa fele forms bebre yemfrɛ wa na so be frɛ 347 334 9455 ana so frɛ pɛ ye be ma wadwuma aye wa wo pɛ sɛ ho tɔw awo yare mu apomden mu wo hia Dominion herbal powder so so ya duro bi e be boa ye papa no kwasem e be boa ye papa ti wa diabetes hypertension o say what about the low pressure or low pressure or high pressure wo hia Dominion herbal powder o hwe de abesensen wie mu ya no kwasem wo hia Dominion herbal powder enti pebinom na moa na emo wa pomodin ene ye betwetwe komo na ye di komo me ntwae ho na ye koba ye di komo many adofo me da asese wajebre na no kwase watwe ya me yakọ na yaba ye gusu aye interview no afide yaba live nice one me hu se amrante no maba no phone de e bia 24/7 semuti esisi ani na mo bo mo bla nyina wo social ne media me nua net say baby ekoso
normal
nice one and then matwachi wo fi nice one na baby ekoso
villa villa na ewo no
odi pa de say
me dey ankasa di Jafar Muhammad, you know, in the showbiz they call me Addiself, you know, meaning here addicted to myself. Okay. And I mean to me say my minion is short now for and to me understand then Addiself.
Yes,
Addi. That's
self.
New
Wow.
Me home.
Okay. I don't know wow.
Because you know, me to me say if you look around you are wow who now bet me idea. Who idea person we yeah, so you have to watch yourself first.
Oh yeah, sure. So they can check our life.
Yeah.
Make sure they obey me here.
Exactly.
Wow. What me go school kakra?
Me go school.
What do you say?
Me do university but I'm on money man maintain we because.
Bonti ujai.
There be fear na enye. What I say.
Oh yeah, sure.
Na fear nya nti me say Charlie. Was me go street na me copy kakra. What I say. Yeah.
Street here for street now koi.
Me nyese me call baby street but I was born in it. Me wanima mama bi.
Okay.
What I say and no was a street dada.
Okay.
Yeah, into a tough one. Only lions can survive out there. Even Drew level Amadre. What I say, yeah.
That's easy sir.
Easy sir.
Yeah, sure. Yes. Who you dear ni ankasa?
Me Gonja. Yeah.
That's one year Dion. Because Gonja phobia minimum papa mo honyo sao. Me Gonja for me minimum mo honyo sa.
Sir, what I say.
O ma me no papa na e Gonja ni na say we half.
Me half.
Half Gonja,
half Hausa.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ako ina adwene. Champagne me. Cause baby moja ni mi na crash no. Won say ati say the all this bo Afro kraman. Who ni say?
Easy.
Oh, sir.
Me say lion bi no.
Oh, say that thing. Why no kraman sibo? Say mo me koya akokọ kura ni sibo a. What means ahombo bro kakra dey. But Gonja. Hausa. When I was when I Gonja no.
Me papa na Hausa.
Oh, I dey walai obo a.
And the color we can na.
That's how papa ya house dey ajai.
Yeah, and papa na ya house.
Still mama da so te na say
mama da so te.
Wow.
Yeah, because you know, even though if you in but omo minya antiti power fee.
Okay. And we no so man say.
Yeah, 6.
6.
Yeah.
Omo nyina mama ba ko papa ba ko.
Yeah, mama ba ko papa ba ko.
Wow. Et uti kasa hodo say.
Oh, miti like I'm in 4 languages now.
4.
Yeah.
Hausa, Gonja, ana dia Dagati ana
Tree na
ana tree ana brofo. Okay.
You know 1 or 2. 1
or 2 bi.
Yes.
Etina wo ashama na
Debi. Nima
Mambo bi.
Yeah.
Also your location honjo. Nima no.
Yeah.
Ane ne mambo bi no.
Yeah.
Ahonye baby e honjo.
Debi. Enye better na say na make am.
Ahon life net say. Say young guy a wasi so.
Enye easy because what I say you criminals nkofo omo ko bia na omo bageto omo say yeah omo akojo bi mu nkofo omo ebi mu so omo ye different lifestyle like enye easy what I say was say also when nya den enye now we focus before bet me like get out of there because madam before be breeze say omo than drug addict and all that. You understand? Yeah, and yeah, easy. Yeah.
Because you find say young guy was this wa wakonya and na fufu say money na mote na efie nye. Ebia baby a wuti te say de ohunu say obi akowi aba. Obi kokro no boba na what is cat.
Yeah, we catch us say Charlie, you say nko say gang leaders or one to me say Charlie. Why do you want na ya kukun ko for bebre a madam fufu like we are just in the ghetto no maga say omo ba. Ma for moto no pa.
But you see wo
ube one video crash but I want to me catch obi say Charlie madam fufu na meaning.
Okay.
It's very very sad.
Obi abo suspect say was a cronfoda.
Debi.
Oh, ebi awo namu a. Oh, yes be if na we do dinner papa.
Yeah.
Ebi awo namu squad. No obi ehum say obom suspect say hey madam fu. Sa area ha de okro no sem no mamu fa ba ha o. Wo say na de sika ba ho. Ti asema make you. Sa tam no mu na wo nam no. Na sika ni ho. Ti wo nam say hosga.
Yeah, exactly.
It will be am anhia wan kan say hey. Kada mama fa bia wa.
You were like ghetto now. Like ebimu omoko G ebimu scanning like a bad news now they say Charlie the robbing and thing you know omo net now until say na informer who say Charlie get away no motive
wow
into you ti one on mobile on be fire now because of there's nobody that on because say who can one now can
because mobile obi ani asoko ma shimu amasika ba
yeah
mobile obi an so asese ama ni na down you who say when e confo na say
omo we bibia what I say Satan grana me a small boy
wow
you know my home be kakra
and the dem ko shame
or the ko shame man you know later on I'm find out say we mun na omo ye criminal so na answer na ye na
wow
yeah
timele do say na wa she gato ma squad scatter abesi because woman me cry no woman me brain
more than 50 times
yes
more than 50
because we mo ba ko fa ba ya ba be chemo
utiwa na obi abetina onche na o se oni kasa no na won no wa ekọ no pa na o ma besim madwane sa ya chime so sa
yeah kasi obi yakura boni dia o yakura boni because what it woman me no papa bre the pure police station
ba
okay
o se me won kofo so street into sometimes say bibi sa happen na omo ntikra before mbet na me ofie me be cool na me be didi na
una modi so no akwa ba
Charlie na ma coffee si aba nti later on bet na waka say nti sana wo koye na obe what I say
serious let's say our life no ekromi has trani abrabo say kasi obi maami anane papa ni bia life no sanity
enya easy because me sorry say na me didi once and no medical school me nishi me bottom what I say me na ntia school na ma okotina school sa me mami onozu ot me 1 or 2 onya kakra bet na ntia about school no be mami kakra break time
wow
because it means time now say me didi
okay
but me so me catch and say I want you what I say me go school me didi but I'm cool because it means it's all part of life and at that time so me say me pesca inte ya na me a me no na makoto pure water na me say na ma ton na ma na say 15,000 into 15,000 no me there 7,000 so me there 8,000
okay
into that business no me start say chale me say chale me nya kakra na makoto boot na ma say book bi o school na ma to into me papa cry yan scan na da one to say secret millionaire wo a unya hwe so ya unya kakra na ma ka say Miss with the send omo grow me no I'm say margin fee kakra into yeah
that would the same show no because that time say uncle say almost stubborn oh habon say wo do alo ayi opan esi owo kwa baba no afa akomo mo na koton no alo
me dey aye bi but alumi sorry alumi it means like once a building say we say tab no ya na dey akoma edwane wora
apa eduma wi anso nwie
oh yeah dey ba koma edwane wora be for some corner no odi aye edwane no amai kakra pipe no amai kakra sawas ni na nipa kanzo crown e dey be ma
wow
yeah enye easy
enye better
yes san not here
ne nyina ya ho kire
ho kire because Charlie untimi ko bi so obi no rich uncle me ni uncle bi a make say Charlie go uncle me ni obia it's like you know a hustle family but you know me papa and me mama no omatina say me so I'm just 28 years
wow.
But I'm married and I have 2 kids
yes
yeah because me to me say omatina and up to date there
yes.
So it has taught me how to you know grow myself well.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Ti yem fa na se obi asini dan mo akọ new site bi akọtwe ahomada. Ni na why bida.
Charlie. Nana. Ya ye bida because ye won conform so mo lead here nti on be ka say yen kono e so de.
O be di akire.
E be di akire.
Be ba wo fie. O say de why ato e den pa. Ti fa say wo ya wie na obeba na akọ bi abetwetwe wo yesi ni nyina afu mu a. Say net ye.
Enye easy.
Because so be nipa
because enye skakitwa
easy
sometimes say nim
mo so ba
alumi ye pe bibiedi nti Charlie the struggle is not easy yeah
why be pa
you know when we are in school ye go school no na ye hu say Charlie yes you your talent bi nti ye was street aye hustle ni na ye hu bibi wo get to e be coffee e be tro na dey ato
okay
e be tro na dey ato
okay
nti sana won say e be do sa time bia ye nya beat online e dey ye nya man
okay
you know up to time I me online sa ni mama mo be on mo for supporting me Self Nation and all that and I me be share me mentor what I say Facebook now na me share
aye shatter
yeah
wow eti yem fa na say obi ti say dey wo ke say woni na mo afo street boy o de ohun say talent no e wo wonya abaye the first recording awo ye no e di say
I did say 10 years
10 years for first recording na nyom na nyede
oh nyom ni de any nam baby
but na nyede
left and right
I na nyede
debi min campo
won kai
enye dempo
anyom e de no hu a obeka
yeah
but na nyede nice one but who satan na wo tape ai na wo tape abutie
me wo tape
na wo da hen wo tape
and say another story and you say another story. I just say, and you say another story.
The story,
that time no. Now, me say, Charlie, you small boy, where they go? In front of Betty but I say, me come me 1 or 2 na me nya na me current till one side.
Okay.
Till one mo na me tape, na me ma ade na me nya me tape na. Me go studio ma record 1 or 2 and go first say, Charlie, mo feel it.
Okay.
So,
okay.
I just say,
nice one.
Up to this level.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Before we be share shatter on Facebook. Na enyo be na wan kasa wadi kan ya ba bonte am yehu se. Also bit my training.
I was online, you know, me on be online. Life now easy at itself. Fear friends at itself. Ungrateful at itself. Ogbo at itself. Assassin at itself. Like, you know, people are really fucking with me. Like, almost taming you for ghettos. I just say, and easy say, who Facebook, we are why they are over cocoa. Obi say shut a bit try and I said
okay.
Yeah, so it was hard because Nima knows so I say if you musu yanyom inti say oh yeah competition.
So shut so you Nima guy.
No ba Nima.
Okay.
Sometime no but now
that's
where
Nima no.
Yeah.
But okay, that's how they want to offer.
There be me there woman walk from Z to A.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's certain be pay green card with Nima.
Exactly.
But who do I citizen?
Yeah.
Who passport?
Yeah.
BBR.
Yeah.
Oh, nice one. But Argentina, we are on your partner a can shut akuma. Man, ma wo chat na with me boa.
Let me say, and then you know how I manage things over Facebook, how I speak my mind, and first you know life not easy. Maybe it's one or no can so share, and I'm madam for me friend. Me say, Satam you nyanu to me say, huh? One done. Me Satam me friend one done me shan because one day it will be a. You are looking up to the person.
Okay.
But you're saying, Tim say, hey, one don't actually me. In that time, no, what share me, you mean, I'm madam for baby catch him, say, Charlie, what share when you mean, you know, from then, we post to be me, you know, SM, because me, they're a self nation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so me post to be me, SM. Into now, when say Charlie, I'm say, Apolano, or Mechi.
Yes.
Into me share now, dear, me, be yourself fighting, and I'm level.
Okay.
Up to maybe Shan.
Wow.
Like Akramo.
Wow. No be meeting no Akramo.
Akramo no Akramo got 30 kids when I'm Shan.
Oh, okay. It's upon the muye ni na tina mu nya.
Nya shy. Because on no be Shan no easy.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Etino. Usia no na ukoye introduction say woni ni pass me say na say
David na me Shan no was a street boy there. Me so me calm. That my Shan on sort me calm.
Okay.
Nti madam for na catch him say Charlie shut the number ni. It's a PPP na on song the PPP I deserve. So from there no Kofi me so me Kofi no na show me online.
Okay.
Say let's connect.
Okay. Now start is on no.
Yeah.
Moje na mess.
Yeah.
Eye bibi akama.
Yeah.
Okay, nice one. Oshia Shata. This is aggressive interview. Let's say from fear ni die see afina mo be din koman kasa.
Yeah.
Eti no, una akon ho fear na say mo share wo baby foforo.
Yeah, so him say like a mentor into me na me ko pen, me ko share no, me ko fie.
Nice one.
Yeah, me ko fie na me ko share.
One Shata ya nwom da.
Oh.
Obi hwe me page foforo.
Oh, but nipa no the person know what time is it, you know.
I'm running hwe me program no.
Yeah.
I'm running hwe me program.
Yeah, me Shata wanyom ba.
Anyom be say.
Ba say ade na go say Shata.
Oh, there be yes Shata. Won say nkomo ye din nkomo bi afri ba bi ti o. Ye din nkomo bi afri ba bi a na ye di abai. They make what must still now music na mu and ye won.
Exactly.
The ye nyina package for music.
Exactly.
Me patcho they make what must. And ye timi nkasa wa bra Saturday
emblem.
Ana
it's part of the history what you say.
What you say?
Yeah.
Tie se ka wa wofo ho asem a cho myself. Etu ma me di imam.
Ebebem.
Ah, dey na we. Ti ka wonyo ka music career ka ho asem a utu mutane abetre pe eti se banche ne bode.
Exactly. I know there.
Yes.
Yeah. Onu kasa sa me didn't me finish.
What you say?
Yeah. So no. But me say ano as a Colombia when you are opposite.
What no?
Opposite. I never what no, but opposite on so only. What I say it's just a process of growing up.
Oh, okay. Sunday when you na o tete nse muntimi ntwamu da. Sebi. Won say you say I would is Legon Hills.
Exactly.
First he fa na now.
Mamobi.
Anti untimi ni nkomo abla Mamobi di mam.
Exactly. Any credit.
Ahọ no so no.
Any credit.
Ana. Tu ni Shata wonyom be say.
Oh, yeah, wonyom be 50.
Oni Shata wonyom 50.
Yeah, more than cry.
Ade.
Sir, yeah.
Ni nyina aba na say bi da so.
Oh, bi da so, but you know, most of them are back out. But big and back out. You know, we had issues. So,
Oni Shata first song near there.
Yeah, Love Me So.
But mama me home freestyle.
Yeah.
Of course say.
Shata, we got the girl from east to the west. See, say man them vest. I deserve them can contest. If a pum pum, we are the best. Every girl just a end. That's my thing, but from Mobili, Matomadi, all of them killing, girl, let me 5-seater, them say me speedy, them can't stop I and I, yeah. So the girl love the life we live it, from me life I deserve, say, yeah.
So what you know?
I need to be brave, Charlie. Yeah, I need to be brave even before taking over, Beba. Yeah, me no dey because connection I say me beef, you know. Say akola one who obi a
superstar
open asem.
Nice one.
Yeah, so it was a connection.
Wow.
And you say obi na di me buy and I say my force me ho. It was a connection and me shan. But as me buy, you know, it was the vibe was there. It was not hard. We never had it like hard issues like recording songs. Easy say flow is
wow.
Yeah.
Wow. There's a shut up wow.
Oh, why be?
And I'll command the car was like you can employ.
Oh, Debbie say who can
infana nyame kura nka wukura one door kan kan tire bi mu da that adi a wuka infana say nyame a shatan ka one door kura won tire bi mu da shatan so workers
good.
That be shatan so workers shatan na hu no nam from no te kam
yeah exactly
today na wutimi che obi ka wona wo sie o se wache ne ka ade su kwa hwem kura nya no kura and so wache shatan ka na wodi tu ni tiri wo se wache ka also
Manchanika.
And me na me tell one door
Manchanika.
Unche shataka. Na de na ukasa wa manika.
Debi if na uti say me say Manchanika.
I ade ankofo tiri say we say watch shataka.
You know, let me clear the air. Mama catch them say man.
But why nya de?
Debi man talk man. Ene me talk man. Onu mo no talk am obi.
Satan the talk am obi. Na de na wudi beto so what one do am satan.
No. Em say one thing here.
Me moment in here.
Exactly.
Enti o pese metin ya sanity.
Bibi san yo.
Enti sanity wo hene ba.
One don din na me the man.
Say una woman shata one door.
Exactly.
A din.
Sa din na o ti say one don. Me and I me the two shata say one down second.
That's a nyaka one door. A D one door.
A D and yaka.
And now to D say to the truth, say Mamma D one door.
And that's an
two more be one door and deny day.
No, say,
would you almost be one door, dear?
So you'll be at me admire. What I say now, in Dino so the iron, and I say, Obia Ghana.
Okay.
Almost friend one door.
Okay.
What I say, he said, would be Biaba, Obia Philly.
Okay.
Yeah, on Uncle Philly.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's why I dear.
My idea.
So a man said no idea too.
Exactly.
I didn't know man said
because me who say or yeah somebody like I admire so much. Obia, you know, he deserves that name.
Okay.
Into that man is.
If I didn't much man so.
Yeah, chiman so.
Who no kasa this say?
Oh, meaning the kasa say kasa but.
Oh, mon kasa.
Oh, yeah kasa say. Few months, 7 months ago now.
Yeah, what 7 months. I don't even for 7 months. No big kasa 7 months.
And that's a meaning. I don't know because meaning kasa 7 months.
Only kasa for 7 months.
Only no on kasa me. Oh, me kasa ne ho.
On kasa no.
Oh na.
Or last time I was chatting here that way.
Last year.
At chatting last year. This year I hate. To hear chat abi.
Oh, Debbie. When I got you, me hand papa. Also on best stampede buy. Also on got some best stampede. I just some be mommy stamp because.
Hey, superstar power shene for no and you back to back. Left 1 year. Then I Ghana for
Ghana for they say when him say BB buy and sana whatever. What I say BB buy or buy online or back can send the break. And intina on say because my try say me in back as
I saw so your bone.
Said
so why your bone.
Oh Debbie me
said that chatting about door. Ehuru na koma. Shatan so Facebook here ni denti. No be react na Ghana for. Tu na wo send a before back door.
Oh we kasa chale only there.
Wo dey na wo ye ni pa ma shata ba out be kasa. Wo dey o dear powder kan kro. Dear pa na wo say wo dey ye. Shatan to me fiti preko pese. Ma ba Facebook me be kire ma dwena kama dwena kire.
Minima de amaye.
Susuma ne sebonsam. Na de kan kro kire Ghana. Wo ye ne dey.
Minima de.
Wo ye ne dey pa.
Minima de amaye.
Eh, it is seta ye bonsam na mo a me no wa se me.
Mankasa, we are aggressive with them. Rather than ma.
There be we any day. Then I would offer. I would can go.
This is baby. This is me album. Why just say go to BBC. Into my Saturday on why be behind my why be behind.
Me just say we dey na we here no.
Me nyan she. I don't know what I've done because me nyan she.
We dey hear some be pa na we here she no.
Minni madam
na nyom be na wo to ya wo bo na kutia wo
David me mambo na kutia bia minni madam aye honestly minni madam aye yeah because you were your family but minni madam all of a sudden oba monte on kasa but you know nsem bebre ho but any important say we have it na kasa sansem ata say
ajo Ghana
oh David
ana wakusi na chi
Ali, o de baby how dey adi 5 years.
Why just shut again? Why nya adi o?
O de meeting yes sir.
Guess bibi any ho. Ba wanye.
David.
Mini na du da bia me de opro. Tia na mo ben sa akoye sa emwa no. What you say? Wa woni me de why?
Oh
ko huru ni pan head akoka sem guna sum kitwe. Shut up watch me. No many pani bua bofu.
I don't know this assembly man.
Ubia no watcho ho.
Debi.
Asa woni mo hwe.
Oh nana.
Mini
hey, when you say nipa de get a misunderstanding na de any night me ba.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, ejuma na family. And ejuma no so bia won opinion what I say. So the say intercena ejuma.
Okay. I didn't say be ejuma 2021. You heard the Yankopon.
Yankopon baby.
Now so they abon be person ba today na abon. And there will be a sing back. And then I would the white say person we an album.
Yeah, because on say me ko share shatter movement no be boy juma pa say you know masian nyama bebre o hono enti says say my madani solo artist which is you know Self Nation doing my own thing, you know. If you say you know I have to give my fans an album because I've been releasing singles all over the years, you know, since.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Anything about person the album no
yeah.
Now we launch album no.
Yeah.
Wow. Today be they ready.
Well, album they be ready very very soon because when yeah share nyama it's like a story in my life. I say title is The Journey Zongo to BBC.
Wow. But Zongo to
BBC.
Zongo to
BBC.
Moko ede ho.
You go say what I say.
That's a human level no.
Human level no.
A babontia. Ese uko BBC ho.
No, when it was a time I finished at Ejuma no. You call London after a Rain album tour.
Wow.
Yeah, you call Rain album tour and you call boss show and BBC for free, you know, Shatta and his militant and you call on after saying on the mona, Mr. Minya inspiration say, "Ha, this a hustle and me in a long time ago because I'm enough here, me share BBC all the time."
Okay.
Yeah, so to say, "Hey, I bet Drew. Hey, one don't why be beer what I say." And I made the sardine, you know, for my album Zongo to BBC.
Oh, okay.
So that I can met mama, you know, that journey, you know. I bet count on my life. Me person be trim. Say my call London now, just like that. So I just have to make a story behind it. Be me free.
Be a wusheno. I will call say wuni.
Yeah.
BBC ni.
Yeah.
Okay, from at concert na from no
to
BBC.
And yet it's not easy.
Wow.
So I really wanted to appreciate that journey and you know appreciate Shatta Wale. What I said, because on normal a buy. Yeah. And wow. Me yes album.
The first time I went out this and that to say.
Well, me it was a great feeling. Wow. What I said. It was a very, very great feeling.
Now what that no why you need London.
London.
So when you do horses no what start to cry chatter guys and what
oh Charlie, Nana, oh dear. What just say? I don't know. Say who redeem me, sir.
There be. Me just say what the whole you now we check it and no matter what. O guess in the landing guess no crowd won be fa so ani ade and one and no wadu
David
and pass so course we won pa
oh David you say you know I'm a loyal guy what I say me call no my GM me say Charlie I was saying cause police show
wow
yeah
I never if your wife wow that's young kasa
I was saying cause say show
okay
my dream,
Wow.
Yeah, because I was really determined and focused, and me shut and me to say, yeah, this is the dream I was always looking for. What I say,
hard work, studio
all the time. What I say, because me no me share ni de bia, nti me beto no. Ona ka so say akwano.
Any abre ofi baby neighbor.
Yeah.
Nya gudi.
Yeah.
Nice one. Tisi o my say.
Me ba o me ni.
Mama na say oba ba ko mama ba ko.
Obema ba ko.
Wow. We didn't the stars ne ba na say wow. Who star bi wa change ya na onya be ma wo. Boss o change pe no be nya oba.
Ba me tun say riding share.
Wow, sure. Oh, nice one. Nice one, pa. Yeah. Nice family.
Yeah.
This year, team on woman, I'm saying.
My team need to say about 10. 10. Yeah.
But me who see to turn na move here near the other.
Say oh bad we are king. They say receive you well.
Wow, sure.
What I say.
Would you any oh
Charlie.
Penny o. To fancy what da what when any je twem a. You fancy I can't see any je ma bende.
Anka me dabio.
What's up, Debbie? My chat when I say, yes, I am a
because Charlie, the packer, Charlie, the coin. Yes. As long as me a Muslim, I have one belief, say, Charlie, like, it's nothing, it's just a worldly
okay.
Me was I believe no. Okay. Me feel nothing. I didn't like I was from nothing. Me name sekra. Wow. So me, I'm very grateful for every little thing. But there's anything now, no say, if you confront Shatanya Sam, or kasa, like him or bomb me doing more than Obia, but my funny said, baby, me to me say, it's life.
Okay.
And you bet me a shot anytime. Me first like Obia better.
Too soon your life will be a man.
Debbie, me
reply no baby.
Me reply, my man, a grateful letter. Me to no man, I'm grateful for him because it means say baby me fear me friend. We know how to be grateful. But as a obi e bibi ma wa say
so so
yeah as a we so because ye nim say obi bebe abeyama
okay
because me no be as a mama be share big man me like I don't have anybody like that bibi I mean I'm here for myself
okay
until me share no to say hey yeah this is the time I just say and John him say Charlie me a dream chaser and me Diablo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Misunderstandings.
Okay. Nice one. What the latest be about now?
Latest the Bibri.
Wow.
I just say deal or bank to bank wire.
I know cause bank to bank wire.
Bank to bank wire.
I know cause
se fulano with the car get no la brass or la follow buy me own things. Yeah, I know they borrow. We got the money in case we don't know. And I born when I say okay. Yeah, set you. Yeah, casa. And then
wow.
Yeah, and he's doing very, very good.
Wow. Yeah. It's a marbon thing.
A marbon thing.
Okay.
Yeah, it's almost hitting 300k
wow.
views on YouTube.
Wow.
Yeah, and 500k on audio market.
Wow.
People are really vibing with this song.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Nice
and I see our album now. Me de bano so me de Baku, mini Kelvin boy Baku. Title near Girl Them Daddy. And then also ever out.
Wow.
I got 400,000 views
wow.
on our YouTube. Until like people are really following my journey and my dream and how I'm really growing up. Yeah.
Nice one. Nice one. Because we have a free our band there. And you must also there. And one studio. Yamia do Yamia Chofie Kama. And one studio Chofie. Did they be able to my day? I do. Okay, or mom old artist. Satam first pan I na mass be studio fee.
Exactly.
I say ebay. Because we go out to talent no. That's the other studio.
Exactly. Because me cry say my face is a level.
Yes.
Time I me want my make studio. Like me 90 studio watch more like it wasn't easy.
Wow.
To me shut was studio was feeling there.
Yes.
As I was a hustler, me nyaka kana ma to speaker. So speaker this when I made this start here.
Yeah.
Kitwawe.
Yes.
But at the time, no me to rented apartment. And I made and kind of made record it you on.
Wow.
Yeah.
Award into awards way award ben no.
Mami Fambre.
Ah okay.
Mami Fambre.
Okay.
Can one say.
Okay.
Cause that awards we there.
Wow.
Represented Ejuma and Ipabo. What I say.
Oh yes. We wife na dem ofia na.
FO.
Come at
It's that office.
We see award be see a star see a. I don't say me in the UK.
Exactly.
Nice one. Awards winner,
Well, first of all, make us say you won't say we cry for the best collaboration of the year, Ghana music.
Yes.
That's taking over.
Wow.
You know, I mean, Shatta boy, what I say, in conference with Tise at itself for.
Wow.
Me, I know one talk anything. Money they call me for my brain. Young back in Chiki, Yadi. Nasa Yanzu Kungani. This time, me, I go to the party. I said, Kunga will take you. Wow. So, yeah, we're taking over now. This award we buy. What I say, now you're for a collaboration, you're for into Shatta for my Obiaba Kubako.
Wow.
So, this is mine. And I kept it from, you know, those days.
Wow. That time squad no.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. But when Shatta nam so now.
FO.
Hey.
Yeah.
The nam the baby am so na fa.
Yeah. Bibia nanka obi antimi mbakra se obey industry because na bibia baby fa but I bet do some level be I say you know kasa because once a mini Shatta no they're so close other people normal they are envying you know the level I mean it me kasa and you know idea yet me here because me no kasa more and we try share ideas more and all that so I bet do some time be and tawa be na one of us oko catch and same be na no so or ne bufu ya no ya bet na say kasa what I said and before and over online kasa what I say so that's what happened you know me say Charlie I just have to work hard because I don't me say me chase you be because say me do na do me and never bet me akoba say me do na do me and now you know I'm not getting in return what I'm putting in I'll be feeling some way what I say yeah so yeah
na we swear
you know I don't need my nashike that mama be boy me be that I know I spoil this area my name they fly in atuma dan basuganko mi basan number dan basuganko mi basan number yeah man into future picture menyum bia you know third music award 2019
yeah
BAM as best Afropop video I say, yeah, so you say very, very good.
Nice one.
You know, yeah, when we went to London, I got the idea, and you know, Shatta played a bit. Shout out to Shatta Wale.
Shatta, why you be power?
Why you be brave? Why
Shatta you be power?
Yeah, why be brave? Because you know, some my catch say me new be all my life. You know, I said, "Ubi amashana." Yeah, what
life?
Exactly.
Breathy.
Yeah.
Studio ni young recording back to back.
Nice one. What I say.
Wow.
And I make a just say misunderstanding and a kasa.
Yes.
What I say, yeah, and I'm a BBC, but me don't know to the fullest.
Nice one.
Yeah, it's family thing always.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. And away in association fin.
We.
Yeah.
Yeah, we so yeah. What I say, Face of Ghana Youth Award. Don't say youth to me. Almost supporting me. They follow me a lot, like they watch me a lot. So Face of Ghana Youth, almost yeah. You know, musical award be.
Okay.
And under the year review, you know, and the voting and everything, I won the music art of the year.
Okay.
That, you know, show. So shout out to Face Youth, you know, see you, shout out to you. And on my Mr. Award with.
Wow.
What I say. Yeah, and I wish you. 2020, I think. Yeah, 2020. Ghana Discovery Music Award. What I say. Also, shout out to Ghana Discovery Music Award. Most popular dancehall artist.
Okay.
What I say. And I'm the honorary citation.
Yeah.
What I say. Yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah.
And you're bad. Abobra.
Yeah.
Eddie away can we japa de home befa. The more from family account. Baby baba. You go so ya bobra ye koye ni ma. Before say 30 year in their chest one. Yes, baby bit me there.
Inshallah.
Abba.
Yeah.
But why are there? But there many boy for God is he can do. And me say be permanent.
Yeah.
Want to no my cause so the Shatta say nenya bad. Truly. Nenya bad kra.
Yeah.
Nenya bad. So what you say?
Yeah, o matter say.
Nenya bad kra.
You say me akola into other penin the anytime of Kasabi. I mean,
Christmas when case okoto tonaka to if you.
E je onu lo, me ga go tun kofo bia on be say on be style me ana onu me shana forget.
Okay.
You bet you know we can always scratch everything. Oh, say I feel somewhere I dey obeka now. He will just apologize and I also apologize and we move on. But nkofo mo gate na no. What I say? Follow back. And that's all on be say on be. Say me ni mo feel obit me ba me level na.
Okay.
Me nko ma.
No fear yourself.
Yeah, because I have my own shit.
Okay.
What I say? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. To have your kingdom.
Yeah, this is my kingdom.
Until unko be kingdom my intro.
Debbie. Me nko just say. Everything is sorted.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Matthias here. This is aggressive interview. Everywhere is a war, so you can come aggressive. Way most goes canton. Gaga aggressive. Do you try to catch offense? Ghana for a show.
Well, me catch Ghana for say Charlie. Right now, this at the self. It's all about Self Nation. What I say. Shout out to all the big men who really support Self Nation. Shout out to Godspeed, Limited Agency. Shout out to Kweku Menu, Charlie. Shout out to Self Nation fans. Charlie, say I had the self album ni Bazungo to BBC. But and streaming. Let's just get interactive with the music. More music, but videos and other. Zongo to BBC. The journey. Believe in yourself. Mama Bianca say, oh, and I say, oh, yeah, they are betting my because. One of them idea open. You understand? Yeah, so I be self-representing. One love, alles.
So be person when you are YouTube, Facebook,
well, who person when you at the self, YouTube, ADDI space and a self, SELF, you yourself, that spelling. Yeah, so at the self, YouTube, who be from A to Z, from 2013, the songs I've sung, all only be just go for it and feel the vibe you wanna feel, and Apple Music, so at the self. These are at the self. Instagram, I'm me self, AMMEESELF, and at Twitter, so at the self GH. So let's just follow ourselves. You follow your hona, you Ghana, you to one next level because you're come here if you count pops,
Nice one. Only a medal was. Say,
why be
aggressive and conquer. What did you mention? Me did the comment no bet my friend Bob na the siga no aso so 111666 I love you I kiss you we imitate you twedi ampo nyame onye okese no nka ho awako ne ese nyina mu me se onyame de odo ho ton so ade nya de bo na wi oye de me ka che o se nyankopon mo na hwe ho so yi awa na gina kire wotwa ma vida better me spiritual mother mama ye me se ma nyame nti ho ye na bibia nso ekoso awo wabrabom nyankopon hira no onye okese ewo na adomo onu wura dada same ewade nkam babia wo bia hwe bia nyankopon bless no hira the king of langa da basariki onso meden chia kese ema me chia boys obi bia wo hwe bia Ghana fo nyina efiri obo ase ahanso nya odia meden chia so ema obi bia I love you I kiss you
Aisha Modimami Aisha Modimami
Miakasa Masha
Queen of Giwa Empire one worry big up yourself you're done now big up Abbas Giwa Charlie big up all the big men where they support all of us one love
nice one till nyankopon so and come home na onhira obibia bye bye